morning, cats, lions. Good morning, fly babies. How are you today? It is Sunday, and this is the day to renew your spirit. So we're going to get up early before the family. Hopefully you got your 8 hours of rest. I know there's some hard-headed girls out there who's still going to bed at 3 and think they can get up at 6 and still feel great and do a great job. That's not going to happen. Your body needs to recuperate overnight. 8 hours, 7 at the least, okay? Work on it. All right, get up this morning before the family and do your morning routine. That is taking care of you. Once that's done, then go wake up your family and put them through their morning routine. Putting them through their morning routine means you are there, you are present, you're available. You're not in the bathroom putting on your mascara, brushing your teeth, hot curling your hair. You're available. Okay, next, everybody comes to the kitchen and we make breakfast. We have a nice breakfast together. Then we know everyone's been fed, everybody's got their face washed, their teeth brushed, their hair brushed, they've got on their clothes. Hopefully you laid them out last night, like I suggested yesterday. And the bathroom is tidy, the sink is wiped out, the toilet is swished, you've got your towels hung up. The dishes are put away, ready for a new day, right? So now, because it's Sunday, if you decided to go to church yesterday, then you know what time you need to leave. Everyone get in the car at that time, have a nice, comfortable drive to church, enjoy your church service, giving your sacrifice of praise, and then when it's over, you're going to be refreshed and bubbling over with a renewed spirit. And it's a wonderful thing because you are a spirit person. You have a spirit. And it needs refreshing, right? All right, so come home, have a nice dinner with the family, make it a chill day, enjoy yourself. Don't forget that you have other routines that still happen every day. One of those is to do your after dinner routine, and the most important one today of your routines is going to be your before bed routine. Remember to check your planner. If you're not using your planner, make this part of your before bed routine because it's important to check it. That's why you have it, and see what's up for tomorrow, what's up for the week this week, what's up for the month this month, whose birthdays are coming up, what do we need to do? Do I need to buy a card? Do I need to bake a cake? You know, is it one of my children's birthdays? Oops, right? Okay, so you're going to do that planner every night. But on Sunday night, you're going to plan out your next week. It's very important. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.